storytelling. Okay ba kayo? Kinakabahan na ba kayo? Kinakabahan na sila. Ayan. Wala na kami, wala. Ayan. So, i-award po namin yung mga nanalo. Ayan. So, tinatawag po namin ulit yung mga ating level judges. Dito sa stage, para po i-award natin yung mga winners. As well as yung aming president and project coordinator. Alright, so yung mananalo po, ulitin ko lang, yung mananalo for this storytelling contest, i-invite po namin para mag-present sa aming galing na kwento concerto for the kids sa December. So, ang beneficiary naman ng that event ay yung mga babies, senior patients sa pediatric ward. So, sila po yung lagi ng beneficiary. And we're proud to say na last year we were able to provide 40,000 donation for the pediatric renal patients. So, again, dami na po yung Ready na ba? Ayan, unahin muna natin yung Children's Choice Award. Sino sa palagay ninyo ang ating Children's Choice Award? Any guess? Wala? Ayan, pero tinanungan yung mga audience natin kayo na sino yung sa palagay nila Children's Choice Award in the Philippines. So, medyo na-torn sila between several lifetimes, pero finally nakapagkamot naman sila sa decision. Okay. So, tinatawagin namin si contestant number 3, Maria Vicente Robles, for the Children's Choice Award. Congratulations!
Oh, connect. Ma'am, kayo na po Nag-video po ako.
So po yung kwento na, ayan na si Bolet Bulate. Tatandaan niyo ba yun? Tinatawagan po namin ang kanyang coach na si Miss Laura Liamo. Common stage. Thank you very much, Maria Vicente Robles. Ayan, so, pupunta na po tayo sa ating third prize winner. May hula ba kayo? Kinakabahan? Gusto na umuwi, gutom na. Ayan, so for the third prize, palakpak naman dyan. So our third prize winner will receive, again, a book from Adarna and certificates. Pati yung coach makakasibig ng certificates. And of course, medal and cash prize and giveaway. Alright, so for the third prize winner, the last but not the least, Miss Elisa Estor, contestant number 8. Congratulations po. Pinagawa po na kanyang coach na si Miss Alma Lawag. Thank you very much and congratulations! Okay, so for the second prize, again, the second prize winner will receive certificate, medal, and a book from Adarna, and also a cash prize. Ready na? Sino ba yung second prize natin? Alright, ang second prize winner, again, contestant number 3, Maria Vicente S. Robles, Miss Common State, and Miss Laura De Ramos. Sir Coach, Congratulations po. Thank you very much. Okay, so for the champion of the 7-10 contest elementary category, the first prize winner will receive again a certificate and medal and a book from Adarna as well as giveaways from
Bang, lagpas ka bang?
So siya po yung nag-perform for our December event. Invite po namin siya para sa aming kwentong Holy Show. Sino kaya ang ating first prize? May hula ba? Alright, first prize winner. Let me call on Justaya Osniel Mula. Congratulations to Thomas Page. Ito si Coach. Miss Rosalind nga, di ba? Kaya muna, ayan.
Putot. Putot.